Hi, I'm Michael Ryan with Armor Concepts, and today I will be showing you all the components to your Armor Latch Deadbolt lock set. Let's get started. Here we have your Armor Latch Deadbolt lock set. We're just going to open it up, and inside you should find two keeper spacers, one small keeper, one large keeper, one latch body, one latch body cover plate, an optional door pull, and also your instruction and screws. And that completes your Armor Latch Deadbolt lock set. Depending on your order, your Armor Latch Deadbolt lock set could come in either white or copper.